Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joni Young and I'm going to be showing you step by step how to paint this simple cherry blossom tree in the middle of a field, and I'm going to try to do this in about 15 minutes. So we're going to get started right away. I want to just show you guys how quickly and easily you can do a simple painting like this and learn a lot of techniques and tips at the same time. So here are the colors we're going to be using: light ultramarine blue, titanium white, neon pink, yellow, sap green, and black, or any other variations of these colors that you have. We're going to start with a large blending brush and get it a little bit wet. I'm going to take my light blue and white, and in no specific way, just apply that paint on. I like to do little crisscrosses, kind of dragging my paintbrush around at the same time. I'm going to pick up more white. I'm going to bring it right down to about here. A little bit more white. I want it to be brighter right in here. Okay, so now we're going to pick up sap green without washing our brush off and go all the way across. Let it just blend in with that white that we've got on our brush already. And then sneak a little bit in here. You can use a smaller brush to get inside there if you want. And another little dark line right in here. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is take my large flat brush, get it a little bit wet, take some green, a little bit of black, water, some yellow, get it really loose. I'm going to make some quick trees. And come down to here, let them just drip. That instant forest back there. It's going to be a bit darker right in here. More of those colors, very loose. And then I'll take a little round brush and just kind of guide. I have a few little branches. There's our little forest. And let's take a little mop brush, any size. This is a number 4. We'll take that watered down paint mixture we made with a yellow, green, and black. Let's just add some little leaves and foliage amongst these trees. Just a little bit like that. And you can wiggle with your brush too. Just sort of soften. We want this to look foggy and hazy in the background. Take a little bit of that sap and green and just wiggle. Tap and wiggle. Okay, and we can just brush off this excess. I'll make this a little bit brighter back here using white and yellow. So I'm just going to block in some color, and then I'm going to take another mop brush. This one, it's a larger one, it's a 10. And just soften that hazy look. Okay, we're ready to start our tree. So I'm going to use number 2 round brush. I'm going to take black, and I'm going to go right from here. Get quite a bit on your brush. Let's do a strong shadow right down there. Give a little bit of that yellow and white. A bit more black. And we can begin just rolling in a few little branches like this, twisting and rolling with my brush. Okay, now we're going to come in with a fan brush. I'm going to use my number 2 fan brush, and I'm going to take some pink, a little bit of white, so it's not completely, totally blended up, and I'm going to start tapping in, and it's going to pick up a little bit of the black, and that's perfect because we want those shadow colors. Pick up some more. And this brush is great to use to create those little branches. See how much paint I've got on my brush to work with. Just take extra white and make some of them brighter. A little bit more pink, make some areas a little bit darker. And then just using the corner of your brush. You can get more of a kind of a singular flower look. You can use the end of the little round brush to do this too. And there you go, guys. It's 13 minutes into the painting, and that just shows you how quickly you can achieve this look. I've got a little bit of time, so I'm going to take some of my black, a little bit of water and pink, and add a few more branches. You can just sneak a few little ones in here, just like that. So I hope you enjoyed watching this today, and I will see you next time very soon with another video. Bye guys!